Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I have some exciting news to share with you beauties today. And so if you'd like to hear what my super exciting, oh my god, amazing news is, then just keep watching. And I also created this look, so keep watching also to see a tutorial. This is a full face of Colourpop Cosmetics. This is the Disney Misunderstood palette, and then the Colourpop foundation, concealer, Colourpop lips. Oh my god, everything. Highlighter. The whole face is Colourpop, so just keep, oh, and this amazing body shimmer, oh my god, Colourpop. So guys, just keep watching to see my tutorial for this look and to hear about my super exciting news. I just can't believe it, guys, so just keep watching to hear my huge announcement. Dolls, I'm so excited, but I can finally reveal to you beauties that I am now an official Colourpop ambassador. So I have a code for you dolls and everything that you can use and save money. So I'm super excited, and a lot of you guys know I've been using Colourpop for years, so I truly could not be more honored and just so grateful. So thank you to everyone at Colourpop. Thank you to so many of you beauties, because I know a few times they had asked, you know, who was a makeup artist or a beauty blogger or a beauty vlogger or, you know, influencer that you guys liked, and a lot of you guys had tagged me, so I appreciate that so much. And I do have a code now for you guys, so if you go onto Colourpop when you're placing your orders, you will save extra money. If you use the code 5Alegra, you're gonna get that extra savings, so I'm really happy about that. You'll get $5 off with my code, so I'm just so happy, guys. So many of you guys are obsessed with Colourpop just like me, and you guys know, but if you didn't know, Colourpop is cruelty free. They're made in LA. It's just such an amazing family to be a part of. The makeup quality is amazing, and of course it is just amazingly priced. So let me go ahead and show you guys. They did send me a package that I'm going to share with you guys today, and I'm going to do a look. You might have seen my unboxing on my Instagram stories, but if not, no worries. I'm going to show you guys again. So what they had sent for me, this is a skincare line that Colourpop has come out with. So it's called Fourth Ray Beauty, and I'm so excited to try it. I have not tried the skincare yet, although I'm sure, like everything from Colourpop, it'll be amazing. But they did send me the Fourth Ray BFD cleansing oil, and I truly love cleansing oil so much. It's really a game changer in your skincare routine, especially if you are wearing makeup and you put it on. It feels so soothing. It feels absolutely amazing, and it really takes off all of your makeup. What I like to do is I'll use my cleansing oil, and then I go and I use a face wipe to remove the cleansing oil, and then I go in with a cleanser on my, you know, on my cleansing brush that I use for my face. So if you have a Clarisonic or a Michael Todd Beauty, those are so good at just getting deep down. The sonic vibrations just really cleans your pores, and that's how I've cleared up all of my acne, and it just leaves your skin glowing. So I highly recommend one of those skin sonic brushes. They are so amazing. So here is their cleansing oil. Even in K-Beauty, the first step of that 10-step routine is the cleansing oil, so I'm not surprised, because cleansing oil is just so, it's really for your skin. If you're a skincare junkie, it's really life-changing, because it just feels so good, and it makes your skin look really extra radiant, extra plumped up. So I'm just trying to open this, guys. I could not love using cleansing oil more, because I used to just use a wipe and it did work. But if you want your skin to look extra radiant, extra glowing, then definitely use a cleansing oil with your wipe, or then you could use a tissue, whatever you want. I love the packaging. So here it is, and let me try out a little bit on my hand. So it just feels so good. It's really amazing cleansing oil. That's what it is. It's so soothing. It actually feels so good on your skin. It's so relaxing, especially at night when you massage it into your skin. And it has a very light scent, not really, you know, anything heavy whatsoever. But it just smells clean and fresh, and it's just, oh, it just feels so good when you take your makeup off with a cleansing oil. So I can't wait to use this again on my face. And here is their gel cleanser. So I personally do like to use a cleansing oil, and then I go in with like a gel cleanser. Oh, this smells so good. It has that really delicious, it's like a cucumber scent. I love that scent. Oh my god. And to be honest, it's like very pricey, luxurious skincare usually will have that scent, so I'm sure this is really affordable. I'll link it below. So this is the AM to PM gel cleanser. I'm so excited to try this, guys. So thank you Colourpop so much for sending that. Fourth Ray Beauty, guys, definitely check it out on their website. And then today they also did send me the foundation, the no filter foundation, and I've never tried this before, so I'm super excited to try this today. Ooh, I love the bottle. I've seen it online, but I didn't realize it has little stars all over it. Oh my god, I love this. Wow. So it does feel really luxurious. Like, well, everything Colourpop is super high end, like you guys know, but it's just affordably priced. It's so crazy. It's so wonderful. So let me see the concealer here. I've never tried the concealer either, and I've always wanted to. So here is the no filter concealer. I can't wait. They did send me these Glitterally. These are body glitter, and although some people do use them on their eyes, and but I just want to try some here because I was using this today outside and it looked so flippin' gorgeous. I was doing swatches on my arm and I could not believe the color of it. This is the color Keep It Plutonic, and I just cannot believe how gorgeous this stuff is. It's like it's so crazy. It's like when you put this on your body and go out, especially like in the summer or special event, you're just gonna be just absolutely, oh my god, glowing. And it definitely does remove very easily because I did have it on today and I took it off on my arm for my swatches, so it comes off very easily. It's not chunky whatsoever. It's very creamy. It's definitely gonna have you highlight popping for the summer on your body, so I just love that look. You can just put this right on your body, but I'm gonna try to, like, I just want to see how it looks, but when you mix it with a little bit of a moisturizer, I just want to see how that looks because I just feel like that is just everything. Oh my god. And this is of course very reasonably priced because they're charging so much money for these you know, these, well, everybody's coming out with one of those body glitters and body highlighters and they're so expensive. These are like no more than $8, so if you wanted to just apply them straight on their own, they're so gorgeous. But actually, if you put a little bit of a body lotion on first, oh my god, you're gonna have that, so oh my god. And it's not chunky whatsoever. It actually feels so good. That's why I keep massaging it all over, because it actually feels so good. It's really weird. You could put it over here. Oh my god. For the beach, the summer, going out, your legs, oh my god. And it's so inexpensive and it's amazing. So I'm gonna definitely be doing that. So I also got like a platinum shade too. So this is like a silvery shade, which I would love to use on my eyes, so I'm definitely gonna do that. But let me get right into it, guys. The lotion I just put on is this Egyptian Magic, so I really love that. Wow, because it's kind of like, I just love the way it looks. So that was, it feels really good, guys. Let's go ahead and play with the makeup, guys. Do you think I should do my eyes first? I think I'll do my eyes first, just because in case there's fallout, I'm not really sure. So to be on the safe side, oh my god, guys, I got the Misunderstood palette. So here are the shades. So gorgeous. So first things first, I'm gonna reach into, oh my god, I just love this packaging. Look at all the artwork on it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because it's black, but it just has all this beautiful artwork all over the lid. Wow. So I'm just gonna go in with this first shade here, No Spots, and I'm just gonna put that right on my brow bone. Wow, so creamy. So now I'm going to take the shade The Fates. I'm just going to tap that right in the outer portion of my eye. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my god, that's the most gorgeous midnight blue. It's really blue. It's, oh my god, it's gorgeous. So I'm just going to take a really small blending brush and I'm just going to blend that edge just very gently. Wow, this color is super pigmented and intense and gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. You definitely don't need a lot of this shadow. It's so rich. You can use, you know, there's nothing on here, no product, and this is just blending over and it's making that gorgeous blue. And then it's blending out into just a gorgeous kind of baby metallic blue. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting that, guys. Wow. So I really want to reach into one of these shimmer colors, or actually a few of these shimmer colors. So I'm going to go ahead and so I'm just going to take this color right here. Wow, it's really beautiful. So now I'm going to take this shade here, Forest of Thrones, this beautiful purple shimmer. And I just want to put that right in the middle. Just blend that right into that blue. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then I just want to try some of this Revenge. This color looks so stunning. Black with glitter in it. I'm just going to put that right on the outer portion of my eye. Wow. It just looks like a starry night sky now with the black over that blue. So guys, I'm just going to do the other eye and I'm going to work on the lower, just the same color family on the top, right on the bottom, and I'll put on my lashes and I'll be right back. So beauties, I just remembered that I have the color Spindle. So here it is. I'm just going to put a little bit of this right over the purple. So guys, oh my god, this Jelly Much eyeshadow is so unbelievably gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm literally in shock right now. And I went ahead and I pulled the purple over into the blue, and it just, they melted together and they just made the most beautiful effect. I can't even believe my eyes right now. That's Forest of Thrones. It blended right into the face, like, oh my god. Let me go ahead and really quickly try out the foundation, do my face. I do have on my CC cream already. This is the It Cosmetics CC cream, and then I'm just going to go right in with the foundation. So I just put it right on the back of my hand, and right away the shade looks gorgeous. It has warmth in it like I love. This is the shade Light 70, and it's not too light. I mean, it has warmth, so I love that. Oh my god, I love this already. It's already very dewy, like I love. This is so gorgeous. This is that finish that I love. The dewy and the full coverage. That's my favorite. Like I always say, it's my favorite. And this just matches my complexion so perfectly. Wow. Because a lot of times when I buy light, they're too light, and then, you know, I like it to have some warmth to it. So this definitely has warmth. And then medium is sometimes too dark, so this is actually my favorite shade of light. So here's the concealer. It does look very fair, so this might be too light for me. This is so full coverage. Moisturizing, not dry at all. It's blending like a dream. Wow, I'm really shocked. I'm just gonna really quickly set this. So wow, I am so, guys, I'm truly shocked how amazing this is. So dolls, I'm back. I put on my lashes. These are my Alegra Chetty Beauty lashes. So they'll be available someday. I'm just gonna put on some of this, just a little bit of liquid liner. And these lashes are 25 wear, babes, and I've been wearing them. They really are, because this is the same pair that I've been wearing for since I started making them. So I did get last month, I had seen my Colourpop Disney Villains giveaway, so I had purchased the Ursula collection for myself. And so I'm going to use it today for the first time. I'm going to use the Super Shock highlighter from the Ursula collection. I also got the lips stick that goes with it, so it came in like a little gift set. So let me go ahead and try this. I haven't used it yet, so I'm super excited. Oh my god, this goes so gorgeous with the purple eyeshadow because it has like that pink purple. I didn't even realize, guys, because this is the first time I opened it, even though I bought it last month, but I didn't realize that it was this pink and purple and iridescent. Oh, I should try that highlighter again, because my face wasn't even wet before and it came out like that. Oh my god. Let me try it again now that it's wet. Pop some of my tear ducts. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put on the Ursula lipstick that came in that set. So again, this is Ursula, the matte shade. And guys, finally, I'm just going to try the lip gloss. So I'm just going to pop this lip gloss right on top. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Sad But True. So dolls, this is the finished look. Oh my god. I literally I can't get over how gorgeous these shadows are. Oh my god. And not only are they super high quality, but the colors in themselves are just so unique, so gorgeous, and how they blended into each other. I was never anticipating how that purple shade blended into the midnight blue, and it just created the most unique, gorgeous effect. Oh my god, I'm really shocked right now, guys. And oh my god, those Jelly Much eyeshadows, oh my god, it is absolutely more than stunning. It's just, oh my god, I feel so comfortable in these colors too, because of how they just so blendable, you know, just so blended, just so well blended, even though they're super pigmented and kind of, you know, vibrant shades, but they're just absolutely they're just so blended. So this is definitely, I really think this is going to be my new go-to look. And I've been wearing a lot of, you know, for a go-to look, I'll just pull out my warm shades and, you know, my nude, you know, nudes. But no, I could definitely see this being a go-to look, my go-to look, because I'm so in love with these purple shades. Oh my god, and the midnight blue and the shimmer and all that good stuff. So thank you so much to Colourpop for sending me these amazing products to try. Thank you so much for having me be part of your amazing family. I am just such a huge fan of Colourpop makeup. I'm so in love with their makeup. You guys know, as long as you guys known me, I've been, you know, obsessed with Colourpop. So I could not be more happier, and I'm just, oh my god, I'm on cloud 9 right now, guys. So thank you again to Colourpop. Thank you again to you guys for all of your support. And I definitely know I wouldn't be, you know, here without you guys. So thank you guys so much. So let me know if you pick up anything from the Disney Colourpop collab, or do you have it already? I want to see your guys' looks. Definitely tag me. And now you can use my code Alegra, 5 Alegra, and you'll get $5 off your order. So if you do place the order and use my code, definitely tag me too, because I want to see what you got. So I can't wait to see all of your guys' goodies and all the fun you have with this amazing makeup. So I hope you guys are all doing good. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Love you.